Trading since 2016, teaching since 2021, and dropping bars since 2023. What's good? It's your boy Big Bain in this thing, and y'all see where we at. BBIDF, right? My channel is dedicated to, your everyday hard working man and woman, right? You know what I'm saying? Who really going through it, and they just sick and tired of being sick and tired. You know what I mean? They're looking for that way out, and they heard about Forex, but they don't really think it was for them. They don't think they could figure it out. They don't think they could ever, really make any money with it because they think it's too difficult. Well, I take all that complex stuff and I break it down into layman's terms to where you can understand and get to the bag. You know what I'm saying? Have yourself a little avenue and a way out. You know what I'm saying? So if that's you, and I know it is, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, and I'm gonna catch you on the inside. All right, it's your boy. Peace. Okay, so I told you all currencies, or most currencies, have 4 digits, the 5 digits in behind the decimal. The yen has 2 digits behind the decimal, so it's really 3 numbers. Okay, now this is how I want you guys to look at this. All right, when we're talking about pips. So pips stands for points and percentage. Okay, all that really means is that it's the measurement for how you calculate your profit in Forex on a pair. So when you get into a buy or sell, price is going to move. That's what price does 24/7. The exchange rate, it fluctuates all day, all night because of buying and selling, importing, exporting, et cetera, et cetera. Government, making increasing interest rates, government, the economy, more money coming into the economy, boosting inflation, right? All of these things factor in to why the currency rate fluctuates so much. So price goes up and down constantly, right? So because of that, if you are a Forex trader and you're trying to make a trade in Forex, whether it's a buy or a sell, once you enter that trade, price is going to continuously be moving. All right. And for the when the price moves, they call that a pip. That's basically what a pip is. That percentage in points, basically, aka the movement of one number to the next number. That's what a pip is. Okay. So now when we're talking the normal pairs, right? We're talking the Euro, USD, the pound, the New Zealand dollar, the Aussie dollar, and Swiss franc. Okay. And then below that we got the yen. Okay. So now I told you that with the pairs, the Forex pairs that have, that don't have the yen in it, they have 4 numbers behind the decimal. The 5th number is the round off number, right? I'm just going to put this in parentheses. And what you guys need to, the way you guys need to look at that 5th number is that it doesn't exist. So even though it's there, it's just the round off. It's to let you know that once this gets to like 9 and then it goes to 0, this is going to turn from 3-4 to 3-5. And y'all know what that looks like. You pull up your phone, hit a stopwatch, right? You got the 1 second, 2 second, 3 second is going, but on the right side, there's this like 2 numbers that is circling like real fast. It's counting from 0 to like maybe 60 or 100 or whatever, right? And it's that milli, whatever you call that. I forgot the name of it, but it's just rounding it off to get to the next number. That's all that is. All right. So really what you do is you drop that 5th number. All right. And we can see it right here. All right. Actually, I don't even have to open that up. Right here. 2.07456. So the decimal's right here. So then we got 0 is the first number, 7 is the second number, 4 is the third number, 5 is the 4th number behind the decimal. Now 6 is the 5th number behind the decimal. We dropped that number. I know you can see it, but don't count that number. All right. If you count that number, it will completely throw you off when we're counting pips. All right. Don't count that number. Drop that number. All right. So now here we are at 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if we get into a sell on this Euro USD pair, we want price to go down. So let's say price starts to move and it gets to 1.1233. Okay. What you guys notice is that this fourth number changed from a 4 to a 3. So in this particular scenario, we have gone down 1 pip. Does everybody get that so far? Because again, this is going to get a little bit more deeper, but it's going to be simple. But I just want to make sure that everybody's following me right now. Do you guys understand how 1234 to 1233 is 1 pip?
Yeah, Ben, I totally understand.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Everybody else? Tanya, Shaq, Rock,
Yes.
Lizzie.
I'm good.
All right, you guys got it. All right, so let's rock and roll now. So here I'm going to pop quiz you guys real quick. So price went down 1 pip to 1.2. I mean, sorry, 1.1233. Now price is falling some more. It's going to now it's at 1.2330. Can somebody tell me how many pips did we go down?
3.
Yes, we went down 3 pips. Who said that?
Ariel.
Ariel, good job. All right, 3 pips. Okay, so far you guys are seeing that when that fourth number moves, we're just moving from 1 to tens, like one, we're moving into tens. Okay, so I want to kind of, let me see if I can, the fourth number, actually, let me do it like this. Here, all right. So you got 1.123 Okay, this fourth number, or the number that's in the fourth place, this is your tens. Okay, here 1.1234. The third number is your hundreds. I'm sorry, is your oh, sorry, this is your ones. Sorry, let me erase this. All right, that's your tens. Yeah, so this is your ones. Okay, 1 to 10. The third number after the decimal is your tens. Okay, now 1.1234. The this second number, right? The 2 is your hundreds place. Okay, let's move this down, and then again 1.1234. The first number after the decimal is your thousands place. Okay, so guys, keep this in mind right here. Your ones place is your fourth decimal, so 1 to 10. Your third number after the decimal is your tens place. Your second number after the decimal is your hundreds place, and your fourth number after the decimal is your thousands place. All right, so now watch this. So now, all right, actually I'm gonna just move this out the way.
Works the same way with the yen.
No, the yen is different. As a matter of fact, let me put that up right now so you can see that. But good point. So here you got your yen pair, YEN. All right. So yen, we got 1.12. All right. Remember, it has a third number, but we don't count that third number. It does not exist. All right. You have to remember that. If you don't, you will absolutely count your pips wrong, and you will be off. And like if a play was supposed to go your way but it didn't, and you're gonna wonder why. It's because you counted that third number and you counted your pips wrong for your take profit or your stop loss. So either you lost when you shouldn't have lost, or you didn't win as much as you thought you should have won. That'll be the scenario. But for here, with the yen, the second number after the decimal is your ones place. Okay, the first number after the decimal is your tens. Okay, and you guys can already kind of see where I'm going with this, right? And move this. Okay, so your second number is your tens. I'm sorry. The first number after the decimal is your tens. The second number after the decimal is your ones. And the third number, obviously, after your decimal, I'm sorry, the first number, the very first number right here is your hundreds. And that's basically it. So now, everybody pay attention to this part. This is a pop quiz right here. So now, we're going to go with the 4 decimal places. So if I have this number, 1.123, and price goes down, and now price is at 1.12224. Can somebody tell me which place, what number changed in what place? That's the first thing I want to know. So you know we got 4 places after the decimal. We got our hundreds place, we got our thousand place, we got our on the first number, we got our hundreds place on the second number, we got our tens place on the third number, and we got our ones place on the fourth number. Say that again.
Tens place.
Tens place, absolutely. So 34 minus 24 is
10.
10 pips. Does everybody get that? Does everybody understand we made 10 pips on that play? So we got in at 12.34, price went down to 12.24, and we made 10 pips. Does everybody get that?
Yes.
Okay, so now you guys are probably going to see where I'm going with this now, right? So now price keeps dropping, all right? We're still in the pop quiz now. Pay attention. 1.1124. It's very sloppy, but y'all know what it is, all right? So now, can somebody tell me how many pips did we go down from 1.1224 to 1.1124? Does anybody know how many pips?
1,000.
Wait. All right, say it again.
I said 100.
100 pips. That's right. That's absolutely right. 100 pips. Can you explain to me why we made 100 pips? Do you know why that's 100 pips exactly?
It was in the one changed in 100's place.
That's absolutely right. That's absolutely right. This is the number that changed. The number that's in the hundreds place, which is the second number after the decimal, right? So because that number changed, we are subtracting 224 from 124, and we have 100. Good job. You guys are absolutely paying attention, and you're getting this, right? So now the last test for the decimals, right, is here, right? So we're going to do now price kept dropping, and we got to, hold on. So price kept going down, and now price is at 1.0124. Does anybody know how many pips we made from 1.124 to 1.0124? How many pips is this?
Now it's 1,000.
Thank you. It's 1,000 pips you made. Now, that's really it. Now, the chances of this number moving is rare. Like, you know, and I don't mean rare in that it doesn't ever happen. What I mean is, like, in your particular trade, right? You're either going to make tens of pips, hundreds of pips, or thousands of pips. Those are the plays that you're going to see on a daily, weekly, monthly basis where you made up to that amount of pips, right? Almost nobody really makes over like 500 pips, right? I mean, it happens, right? But it happens over time, all right? So you guys will never really get into play, and then the price just jumps to 2.0124, right? That's oh man, how many pips is that now? 100, not the thousands, the tens of thousands, right? So that's 10,000 pips. Okay, 10,000 pips is insane. Just letting you know that right now. If you ever catch a play that goes 10,000 pips, you probably gonna retire that day. All right, you go in the office, tell your boss, kiss my ass. You know, forget all y'all. You cool, yeah, all right, but the rest of y'all can kiss my butt, right? You know what I'm saying? And like that's what that's gonna be about. Does everybody understand pips so far with our fourth decimal place of numbers, which is the majority of the pairs. Again, the only pair that has the two numbers after the decimal is the yen. I need to know if you guys get this, because I don't want to skip over this if nobody understands this. If anybody has any questions, please ask it right now so we can get it. We can make that light bulb come on for you.
Okay, so if it goes the other way, if it goes the other way, like it's going upwards, so
yep. So I'm with you.
It's still 10 pips. Like
that's right.
Say we start. Okay.
1.1244. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait. Let me start with the first one first. Hold on. 3, 5. So we wanted to go down, but now it went up. So it went from 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's at 1, 2, 3, 5. Which number moved? Which number changed? What place?
The 1.
That's right, the 1's place, right? So from 4 to 5, that's 1 pip. So now, if you were in a cell, now you're down 1 pip instead of up 1 pip. Make sense?
Okay.
And now again, we can just keep going up. What if it went from 1.235 to 1.45? All right. So now the the third number after the decimal, which is in the tens place, that's moved. So now from 3.5 to 4.5, we know that's 10. We just do basic math. That's really all it is, man. Like, I know, learning about this right now, you got to get your head wrapped around it. But once you do, that's it. It'll never leave you, right? You know what I'm saying? And so the first number going up from here, right? This is our main number where we started. Now we went up. This was the 10th place that moved. Up here, the 1's place that moved. Up here, this was the 10th place that moved, right? So now let me try to move it around a little bit. I guess it doesn't want to let me go. All right. So now we do 1.145. All right. Now this number has changed. Okay. And this number is in the hundreds place, right? Because it's the second number after the decimal. Again, we got thousands, then we got hundreds, then we got tens, then we got ones. All right. And this is all after the decimal, right? It doesn't matter what number is over here. All right. That's just a question mark. Doesn't matter what number is over here. After the decimal, if that first number changed, you made thousands of pips. If that second number changes, you made hundreds of pips. If that third number changed, you made tens of pips. If that last number changed, you made ones of pips. Does everybody get that?
Yeah.